Hi Keith, just a update. I think I've got that print hammer aligned with the selection motor, so it's been working. I thought I had it a couple other times, but after typing a couple lines it would fall out of adjustment again. So I think I've got it tightened up and adjusted pretty well. So we're just gonna do a little test. Oh. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. The keys are a little sticky. Okay, so I think we've got it aligned there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just keep it for another couple of days. I want to make sure I'm going to bang away on it and every once in a while just to see if that assembly comes loose or it's going to stay aligned. Okay, Keith, I'll talk to you later. Thanks, bye.